Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another session of this course on Islamic inheritance law, in which we shall be looking at the inheritance share of the daughter. Let's start off with text from the Sirajiyah. وَأَمَّا لِبَنَاتِ الصَّلْبِ فَأَحْوَالٌ ثَلَاثٌ النِّصْفُ لِلْوَاحِدَةِ وَالثُّلُثَانِ لِلْإِثْنَتَيْنِ فَصَاعِدَةً ومع الابن للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين وهو يعصبهن. The inheritance share of the daughter is mentioned in the Quran in Ayah 11 of Surah Nisa. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Allah commands you as regards your children's inheritance, for the male a portion equal to that of two females. But if there are women more than two, then for them 2/3. And if there is only one, then for her is a half. The Quran does not mention the share of the son, but it does state that the share of the son will be twice that of the daughter. In terms of inheritance, there are three scenarios for the daughter. 1. In the presence of a son, the daughter or daughters become residuary heirs through ta'sib. The daughter inheriting as a residuary heir, osba bighayriha, inherits half the share of the son. 2. The share assigned to one daughter is 1/2, in the absence of any sons. 3. The share assigned to two or more daughters is 2/3, divided equally amongst them, in the absence of any sons. Let us look at some examples to understand the inheritance of the daughter. In this example, a woman dies, leaving behind an estate worth £24,000. She has no debts and no bequests. Her only heirs are one son and one daughter. The son is assigned 2 portions of the estate and the daughter 1 portion of the estate. So the estate is divided into 3 portions. Each portion is worth £8,000. The son gets 2 portions, which is equivalent to £16,000, and the daughter gets 1 portion, which is equivalent to £8,000. In this example, there are no sons. A woman dies, leaving behind an estate worth £24,000. She has no debts and no bequests. Her only heirs are 1 daughter and 1 full brother. The daughter inherits her Quranic share of 1/2 of the estate, and the full brother, as residuary heir, inherits the remainder, 1/2 of the estate. In this example, a woman dies, leaving behind 4 daughters and a full brother as our only heirs. In this case, the 4 daughters will together inherit 2/3 of the estate, to be divided equally amongst them. The remaining 1/3 will be inherited by the full brother as residuary heir. So the 4 daughters get £16,000, which is £4,000 each, and the full brother get £8,000. This brings us to the end of this session. Inshallah, see you in the next one.